Hey guys, this is just a quick video on covering what the different paths are inside of your funnels and how to set that final path URL that people see inside of the browser window. So a lot of people confuse this as the final link, but really this is just what's set in the publishing tab here, and that's for the path of the funnel step. So this is for your internal stuff. It really is not going to be seen by users. The only time it matters is if you're setting up a split test, and then that's the link you would copy. The final URL, however, that users will see up here is set in the page split test settings right here in this gear wheel. So that you can see right now, currently users are going to see opt-in followed by a bunch of numbers. So if we go in and preview this page, you'll notice in the URL bar when the window opens that it's going to show this first and then redirect to that other one. So you can see, and it's going to load and then it redirects to this. So obviously this doesn't look the best. We want it to look a little bit better, clean it up a bit, maybe just say opt-in or home or sales page or whatever you want. But you want to make it look a little bit nicer because people do look at the URL bar. So what we can do is go into the page split test settings and we can just say something like home, right? And it's important to note that this does have to be unique throughout any other page within your funnel. So if you have two funnels in your account, both with the path name /home, you're going to have overlap, and one of these funnels is going to take on the other page. So you'll go in here to the editor, it'll look fine, and then you go to preview it and it'll be showing your old funnel or your other funnel, and that's because you have the same path name for two different funnels. So make sure that you are setting a unique path. You can always go in and update it or change it in any of your funnels in case you need to use it for something else. So you go ahead and change that and hit update page. Okay, so now when we open this link, it'll show this again, but it will go straight to home. Okay, and then now that is our final link. So this is the link we would want to use in our advertisements. That's the link we want to use if we're linking to this funnel from somewhere else. So Instagram posts or social media or anything like that, you want to use the final URL link anytime you link to it, because otherwise you're going to have problems. One place that I know people run into this the most is when they're setting up their email automations and they want to link back to their funnel. What they do is end up just like copying the URL right here or copying this, but that's not going to work. That actually sometimes will break the link and people will end up getting a 404 error page. Again, you want to copy and paste the final URL link, which is done by just opening it up, wait for the page to load, and then copy that. So hopefully that makes sense, and I will see you guys in the next lesson.